All right, guys, thank you for coming to this video. It is going to be a blast, right?
Yes.
What is it?
I don't know. We don't have anything.
Ah, la 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 la.
We're skating a lion?
Don't lie.
Why are you lying, Petty?
We gotta take you back to the zoo because you're a lion.
So I'm gonna read this extremely long note while you guys open that skateboard. Hello, Braille crew and friends. Seth and Ben here from UltraFlex Longboards in Brainerd, Minnesota. We are super excited to be talking to you guys. We have been binge watching your videos for almost a year now, and we love seeing everyone's progression and shenanigans. Shout out to Carlos for being on the team full time. He is the absolute beast. Did you hear Fabi is leaving?
Fabi?
We, Ben and Seth, have been friends for over 20 years now, and we have been skating together for as long as we can remember. What in the what?
It's amazing. Come on, I know you like that.
It's delicious. Last summer, we decided to take a leap and start our own longboard company. Being the first to make aluminum decks for every style of riding, it's going really well, and the interest in our company has been going up. So far, everyone that's rode our boards absolutely loves them. We figured you guys would have a lot of fun with them as well. So, should we put trucks on this bad boy? Maybe green trucks. Here's a pair. This board is the first skateboard style deck we've made, and we completely customized it just for Braille. The deck is made of 6061 aluminum, aircraft grade, thank you very much.
Aluminum.
First, the shape and design is cut out with a CNC plasma cutter. Then we smooth all of the edges and drill out the truck molding holes before sending it out to be painted. The paint is a metallic green powder coat, a special kind of paint that's very durable. It's not sharp around the edges, so shimmers. We like to call them shindigs. Won't be as bad as with the other metal boards you guys have had. The cutouts in the deck create weight reduction to keep it light enough to pop some serious tricks. There is only an 8-ounce difference in weight from the 8-inch Revive deck we compared it to. We've got the list of trick requests for you, so here, there has to be a full crew for this video. First off, there absolutely has to be a Fetty no slide, of course. I have to tray revert, a steezy pop shove it from Nigel. Nigel.
We need a steezy pop shove it from you!
And a handstand finger flip from Carlos.
I might have to go first because my hand hurts.
Some mini ramp ruckus from Kelly and Luke. Oh no. Shout out Gabe, Troy, hashtag Skate God, Mario, Daniel, and the Pizza Man.
Which Daniel?
Exactly. The idea for aluminum skateboards started in the summer of 2017 and has progressed into the beginnings of a company. We have put our blood, sweat, and tears into getting it off the ground. How awesome would it be to go to work every day doing something you actually enjoy? We know some of you guys at Braille Skateboarding are blessed with that, and we're going to shoot our shot at the opportunity. I'd say you go for it. We would love for anyone watching to come check us out and help us get off the ground. Our Instagram is at UltraFlex Longboards, and our website is www.ultraflexlongboards.com. Fair warning, it is still under construction, and we are very new to this kind of thing. Go fast and commit. God bless, progress daily, and keep killing it. Let's go, aluminum.
Bite your elbow off. It's aluminum.
Oh my gosh.
UltraFlex Longboards. They're really good.
I mean,
There she blows.
Nose manual test, check. Baking chef test, check.
This thing's sweet. You're great. Let me see this.
Before you
It is incredibly light.
handstand finger flip spring hands. Go.
Oh no, no, you have to do it again.
Ah.
Wow.
Thank you. You're good.
I think we should give it to Nigel for a steezy pop shove it.
Yep. Not easy enough.
Scoliosis.
Oh, that bend. Oh no. It's just bent a little bit. All right, Fetty, it's your time to nose slide and shine.
I've never done this before.
I feel like he gave me the only really hard trick.
Yeah. Should we just kickflip off it first?
Kickflip off? Shucky darnits.
Oh gosh.
It has really good flick.
How?
Do you think I can do it? It's a weird board.
Yeah.
This is gonna hurt. This is gonna hurt. Ow! Yeah, I knew that was a dumb idea.
Double flip's way easier.
It's gonna be nice. Oh my god. You have to tell me that you don't believe in me.
I don't believe that you can do it, Cruz.
What is going on here?
I didn't film it as good as I filmed your last one, but that was okay.
Get the... Nigel, you gotta land yours.
It's gonna hurt. Ow! Why am I still doing this?
Hey!
Yeah!
Oh, you pushed your luck a little bit, but
Yeah.
I'm happy for you.
Right here in the corner. Here it is, third time's the charm.
Hey! This is the most important one. Oh! Oh! That's right. Woo!
Oh, dude, it's so easy to overflip.
Oh, hold on.
Ow. Oh, this hurts already. Okay, this is a terrible idea. This is my one and only try. Ah!
You have saved my life, sir. Whoa!
What was that?
What happened?
I have no idea.
All right. Oh my gosh!
Oh! Wow! Wow! Whoa! What? If you were closer to me, I would give you a hug. That was good.
Kelly and Luke are really getting it out there.
They really are. You're just flying.
Let me try that one more time.
How? Count it. Nose manual ollie flip. Ooh!
That hurt my
That
ears.
sound is not nice.
That hurt my ears.
Woo! Hey girl, you looking fine. That wig is ready to fly in the wind. Show us how it's done, girl. Oh! Now we're talking. Can you do that again? You got that.
Thanks. This one I thought I got out of falling.
I know, he was so close. I think it doesn't count unless you go faster and do the entire thing.
What do you do? I got a new crook.
Is that what you've been trying this entire time?
Yeah, Mom.
Do you see that?
Oh!
Wait, do you see this? Do you see this?
Oh my
He's
gosh.
hugging me.
Wow.
Disrespect.
Oh, I love that. That's right. Oh, that is nice.
Delicious.
Last trick, Fetty, and then to the 5. Woo! Carlos, good luck. Please don't end up like this. See, that's what he gets for trying to tweak it out.
Oh, my Lanta.
Oh, no.
Stayed on the board.
What happened? Carlos's bails still have more commitment than I do. Fetty, get his back. Whoa! Woo!
But are we gonna break it?
No,
We're not gonna break it?
no, I don't want to break it. What you think, Carlos?
That was amazing.
No, I mean trick-wise.
Oh, trick-wise, I like the flex in it, but it makes it a little bit more scarier than you want it to be, but I like it.
No, I meant what trick are you thinking of doing
Straight
next?
flip.
All right.
First try.
Okay. Wait.
Second, 2 tries.
Third. Fourth. Wrong.
Fifth.
Oh.
Well, he worked it out. Did you see that? Touch my skull like that.
Number
please.
6.
3?
I'm taking 4. I'm right. I'm telling you. Dang it! Oh no!
It's 5.
Oh! Oh no!
I got yeeted off.
Yes!
Still landing it.
He's still landing. Oh, well done.
Shout out Joey B.
All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed that video. We had an absolute blast making it. If you have something cool to send us an email about it, skateit@brailleskateboarding.com. Bear is like, wow, there is a lot of noise in here, and I want to go back to my bed.
Such a good boy.
All right, guys, I hope you had a blast watching that video. We had an absolute blast making it. Thank you. You guys are the absolute very best. We hope you enjoyed this video. There are tons of other videos in this playlist. If you guys are learning how to skateboard, if you're not, you need to be. If you are, go to brailleskateboarding.com. Get Skateboarding Made Simple. It is a full-length lesson plan. We also have every single thing that you would ever need. So go to brailleskateboarding.com and get geared up. I'll see you in the next video. You guys know what to do. Hashtag notification squad. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. Make sure your notifications are on. Let's go.